What's going on, everyone? My name is Munir. Welcome to my channel, Hero Trading. So this morning we are going to be talking about sundial grower ticker symbol SNDL. This morning, sundial announced that the holders of warrants, meaning the old warrants at 80 cents and $1.10 will exercise their warrants, which caused a lot of panic selling right off, when bell rang. Um, so the stock plunged early morning to a low of $1.22, which is about 12%. Some investors are looking at this warrants announcement as an offering and necessarily a bad news. So this kind of caused this early morning drop to a new low. So in this video, we are going to be talking about if this is necessarily bad news or good news. So what impact will this many moves and announcements, you know, that is recently happening, have on the share price or the price action in the future, or the near future. Guys, this is exactly what we will be touching on in this video. But remember, this is not financial advice. This is mainly for your entertainment purposes, and please do your due diligence before you invest in any stock. Also, if you're new to this channel, please do me a favor and smash the subscribe button, as it helps the channel grow, and that way whenever we create videos like this, you can get them. I am putting out videos like this on a daily basis. I'll also be putting out videos of what kind of tickers I have on my watch list, and I'll be trading during the week. With that further ado, let's dive into the press release. So as you can see this morning, the stock took a hit. Okay, so the press release, um, as you can see, it's saying that Sundial announces, and this by the way is from the Thinkorswim news section. So basically, what it's saying is that Sundial announces the issuance of new warrants and U.S. 89 million proceeds from warrant exercises. Um, it goes on and says that Sundial announced today that holders of 98 million 333,000 warrants to purchase common shares of the company will exercise for cash their warrants at prices of 80 cents and $1.10, and this is US dollars, not Canadian, for gross proceeds to Sundial of 89 million. So what does this mean? I mean, basically, what this means is that Sundial, so those Sundial warrant holders of those warrants, um, and if you don't know what warrants are, it basically means the right to buy or sell at a certain time. So it's it's not options. It's slightly different from options. So basically, what this means is that sundial warrants holders, those who held those warrants in the past. So we're not talking about the new warrants. Um, will be able to exercise their warrants in which Sundial made about 80 to 89 million. So in exchange, Sundial issued them new warrants. So Sundial put out new warrants. This time not at 80 cents or $1.10, but at $1.50. So this is good news. It's much more higher. So if we read further what it says that, so the article continues to say that, or the press release continues to say, or the announcement says that Sundial, where is, yeah, it says in exchange, the company will issue 98 million warrants, each entitling the holders to purchase one common share at an exercise price of $1.50. So it's going to be $1.50. So it's much more higher. So the new warrants are much more higher than the older warrants. So this is a win-win deal for the investors, all for the warrant holders. Even though people, you know, are frustrated about the early drop. But as you we'll talk about the price action a little bit and go over the current price as it is now. My time now 8:51 a.m. Um, Pacific time. So if we continue to read the article, it says that Sundial has granted the holders rights to have common shares issuable upon exercise of the new warrants registered pursuant to a registration statement. So basically, what that means is that, you know, um, Sundial sold those warrants um, for the 89 million proceeds. In exchange, Sundial issued them new warrants, this time not at um, 80 cents, but $1.50. So again, this for me is good news for investors because they can exercise those warrants for a much higher price. So it's a win deal for both the Sundial as a company, because it's going to bring more revenue for capital for Sundial, and also for the holders of the warrants, the new warrants as well. So to me, this means the Sundial leadership are sure the stock price is going to stay above $1.50, not just a dollar in the future. So now we are not saying that the price is not going to drop. I mean, it could drop, but I don't see it, drop below a dollar. Is it going to bounce? Yes, bounce is very imminent, like I mentioned in my video that I put out yesterday. So this new leadership has, I mean, this new leadership is just busting up busting out with new moves and plans for the company. They're doing a great job. So now, um, you know I mean, we're seeing the stock price doing much more better than it used to be. So I don't think that this price is going to get under a dollar. And the fact that the company got the I mean it got I mean it just got compliance with Nasdaq. I don't see it. I don't think that it's going to get under a dollar and be delisted again Um, that's not part of the plan. I don't see that as being part of the plan. The CEO continues to make great deals with leaders in the cannabis market. So, guys, when this grows, I believe it will be worth more than $4. This stock is going to be worth more than $4 when it grows. Sundial has a future, and again, that's why I got in. So, for those of you who are early adopters, of this stock, which I am, um, this is just an opportunity to add. Um, you know if you add those dips, I believe it's an opportunity to make more profits. Also, if you bought high, this is another opportunity for you to average. This stock will show promising returns from what I have seen so far. Like I said before in my previous videos, this leadership has been doing a great job. Um, so if we take a look, let's jump into the price action and see where it's at today. Oh, wow. So if we take a look pre-market, it was around $1.51 when it bounced from yesterday's low of $1 and probably 35, the futures market. So it kept rallying at from $1.35 um, to right around this spot where uh, that was pre-market. So pre-market high was around $1.51, and so right when we got the news, I think around 6:03, according to Thinkorswim, um, it caused this huge sell-off. Because people, were perceiving it to be an offering. So this continued to have, when the bell rang, it continued to drop from an open of $1.37 to $1.22. Now that's a huge drop. That's like almost 15 cents drop. That's a lot, but this stock is used to it's used to this patterns. I mean, I'm not surprised. Like I've been mentioning, I'm not surprised from these dips. But as you see, it kind of bounced back from here up. So if you bought here, or you bought and were following this, you bought here, you probably could have made profits somewhere around along the line if you even are a short-term trader. Um, so a buyer. So we can see at this point, it broke the morning high of $1.37, and it kept rallying. Like we could see the price go up. It kept ramping up to like $1.71. Now at currently it's sitting at $1.58. So we can see that you know the bulls have got in and the volume has gone up. Let's take a look at where the volume is at this point. Um, and this is some crazy moves right here. So we are sitting at 545 million volume now, which is very typical for this stock. And look at the price; it's $1.60 at this time now, 8:58 a.m. Pacific Northwest time. So, anyways, again, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your due diligence before you invest in any stock. This is for your entertainment purposes. Um, Again, if you're new to this channel and have not subscribed, please do me a favor and subscribe to this channel if you like the content. So whenever I create videos like this, you can get them. Again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.